With the rapid spread of COVID-19 Delta variant, many countries are now imposing new restrictions, whereas many are revamping their lockdown options. The head of the World Health Organization, WHO, has recently revealed that the variant, first identified in India, is reported to have spread to at least 98 nations. Welcome to Traveling Stream. In this video, we show you a list of countries that have announced new restrictions to contain the virus. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the bell to be notified about the latest videos. List of countries imposing new restrictions due to Delta variant. Number 1 is Australia. The manner in which Australia handled the coronavirus has largely been viewed as a success story throughout the pandemic. However, it has announced several lockdowns as the Delta variant began to spread. Australia's Prime Minister stated that the Delta variant is proving to be a far more difficult element of this virus than we have seen to date. As per the reports, a 2-week lockdown across all of Greater Sydney has been announced, including the Blue Mountains, Central Coast, and Wollongong. Further, the stay-at-home order will also remain in place until 28 August. Number 2 is Israel. The country, with around 60% of fully vaccinated individuals, reimposed an indoor mask requirement and other measures amid a sustained surge in COVID-19 cases attributed to Delta variant. Nachman Ash, the head of Israel's Pandemic Response Task Force, said that the measures were reimposed after Israel reported more than 100 daily COVID cases for 4 consecutive days. "We are seeing a doubling every few days," Ash told public radio. Number 3 is Taiwan. Taiwan is also witnessing widespread cases involving Delta variants and has already imposed new travel restrictions to and from certain countries, such as Russia, the United Kingdom, and Israel. The government stated that it will be tightening border controls to keep out the Delta variant at bay, whereas arrivals from 5 countries would be required to be placed in centralized quarantine facilities. Also, Taiwan will tighten health monitoring measures on those entering Taiwan via airport or port starting from 2 July. Indonesia is number 4. Indonesia on Thursday confirmed a daily high of 20,574 new COVID-19 cases, a jump of more than 5,000 from the previous day. The rise in cases prompted the government to announce the tightening of neighborhood-level social restrictions in high-risk red zones for 2 weeks, starting last Tuesday. Offices, restaurants, cafes and malls have been allowed to operate at 25% capacity. Earlier this month, Indonesian officials revealed that more than 350 doctors and medical workers have been infected and dozens hospitalized despite being vaccinated with Sinovac, raising concerns about the vaccine against more infectious variants like Delta and Alpha. Number 5 is Portugal. The European nation has announced new restrictions in the Lisbon area and 2 other regions amid a spike in COVID-19 cases. More than 70% of coronavirus cases in the Lisbon area are from the Delta variant, which is said to be rapidly spreading to other parts of the country. Portugal is witnessing a surge in infections after the tourism-dependent nation opened to visitors from the European Union and Britain in mid-May. On Friday, the country reported 1,604 new cases, the biggest daily rise since February 19, when the country was still under lockdown. The number 6 is Bangladesh. India's neighboring country announced a tougher lockdown starting Monday due to a dangerous and alarming surge in Delta variant cases. As per the fresh guidelines, all offices, government and private, will be shut for a week. The government said in a statement that no one can step out of their homes except in emergency cases. "It is a dangerous and alarming situation. If we don't contain it now, we will face an India-like situation," Health Department spokesperson Rohit Damin told news agency AFP, referring to the catastrophic second wave of COVID-19 in India. Number 7 is Russia. Moscow authorities have ordered bars and restaurants from Monday to serve people only if they can present a QR code showing they have been vaccinated, had an infection indicating immunity, or recently tested negative. Russia is facing a surge in coronavirus cases that authorities blame on the Delta variant and slow progress in vaccination.